Alright everybody, so this hard drive, had it forever. I don't know what's on it. I don't know what the deal was, but my initial plan was to try to get what was on it and recover it, but that I can't do that. Tried everything. Doesn't have an operating system on it. So I wiped that, and it says it's 40 gigs, but in the computer it's reading 6 gigs. So I pretty much just like not gonna use that one. This is for my beloved PlayStation 3, but since it's ID hardware ID encrypted or whatever, and that PlayStation's gone, it broke, and I'll never get it back. There's really nothing I can do to get this data back. So I'm going to wipe it and put Linux on this. Of course, I have my hard drive that's in this computer, but let's show you how we do that. So this is running off a boot drive. This is a partition manager that I put onto it's a bootable partition manager. So you can see this is the flash drive, the boot drive I'm using, and this is the PlayStation hard drive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Windows command line and type in disk part. You get disk part, then you're going to want to do list disk. Show both the disks there, 0 and 2. It's saying 0 and 2 because I did have my external hard drive here. This is like my master backup drive. And I unplugged it, so that's why it's showing 0 and 2 instead of 0 and 1. But anyway, so you're going to want to, from here, you're going to want to type select disk, and then we're going to want to select disk 0. Enter. Now the selected disk, and we're just going to say bye-bye. It's this simple. Now everything on that disk is gone. We're going to exit. Exit. Now, in theory, this should work. We're going to initialize disk. Now you can see it's queued here. I'll initialize disk. So we're going to proceed. So it's initialized. Now we're going to, I don't know if I can do it from within this. Let me see here. Maybe I don't have to. I have a part 2 here. I have to create another boot drive because I only have this flash drive, so I'm going to have to hook up to my other hard drive here, re-put my boot drive for Linux on that, and then see where it goes from there. Alright everybody, I'm going to show you now. You're going to download whatever ISO of whatever operating system you're trying to run. In this case I'm doing Manjaro. This is Belena Edger. You need this program to flash your ISO to your SD or USB, whatever. So we're going to flash it. It'll take, I don't know, 5-6 minutes here maybe. After that's done, I'm going to turn the PC off, connect the initialized PlayStation hard drive to the SATA cable, and put our boot drive in, turn it on, and then I'll show you what to do after that. All right, successfully flashed this boot drive with our OS on it, Manjaro, and it should boot right up. Moment of truth. Boom. So let's go through this install real quick. Launch installer. Oh, yeah, we're gonna need to connect here. Um, erase disk. Click. Maybe this won't install. I don't know. I guess we're gonna see here. Um, match. There we go. Oh, must start with a. Okay, so we'll just do underscore. And I can't do it that way. Use a fucking mouse. After this is done, I'll show you how to get Google Chrome because it comes with Mozilla, which sucks. And how much? Yeah, probably not. But I'm gonna let this install, and I'll do a follow up. Show you that it works without the boot drive. All right, we've got it installed, so I'm gonna restart it now and quick pull out the boot drive. Look at that. Just that quick. Lickety split. Huh. Maybe I have to. Let's try this. If it loads into the BIOS, we know we messed something up or we have some setting that's off. But looks like it's good. And it'll take a little bit to load here. It usually sits on the screen for 30 seconds to a minute before it begins to load. Looks like this hard drive might be no, that's just what it does. That this TV's weird, man. I like it though. But yeah, boot drive's out. Gucci. Need to go get a few more cheap USB sticks because this was supposed to be my Windows 10 boot drive, and it'd be nice to just have a couple already done. You know, have to go back and forth and shit in case you run into any issues. So, now if I can remember, I'll try to install Chrome here. But I remember when I put it on the other hard disk earlier, yesterday or whenever it was, I had to find a command to get my to download a package to get the Wi-Fi to work because it was like not. It was like bits per second, so I couldn't load videos or anything. It was just too damn slow. I could load text and whatnot, but what's going on here? No. Let me figure this out real quick. I just had to reboot the system because that was the first, boot. So had to install some things and reset. So this should work now after it installs here. Should being the key word. Cool. So, also going to download a code compiler. So search, I don't know where this will be under, but I'm going to search for Visual Studio. There it is right there. Apply. password in again. Alright, looks like that's finished. Exit our package manager, and then we're going to get a couple of things up here. We're going to go to Internet. We have Google Chrome. Right click, perhaps, or maybe we'll just drag it. Nope, it's taking a second to load here. Too impatient. Add the desktop and get this shit out of here. Now we got Chrome. Don't want to do that. Welcome. Let's see if our YouTube's still working here. This is, yep. All right. Search for our compiler here. Studio. I don't know. I know it downloaded it, but where did it go? All applications. Oh, okay, it's just called code. So, get that pinned as a desktop. All right. You want dark selection. This I'm still learning, so I don't know. We'll just go here. We're done. New file. Is there, yeah, extensions and what is it we wanted? I guess we'll enabled globally. Prettier. I know we're gonna need. And then there's one other one. Maybe it's this. Alright. Try both of them. Let's go back here. That's not right. Let me use business here. Well, I'm gonna have to do some work to set up my code compiler here, but that's how you do it. That's How you doing in the big city, folks? It's a few minutes later, and you can see that I got it working. Just had to uncloud my brain here, but focus. You're gonna focus. There we go. Had it focused. Damn it. There we go. You can see all that little bit of code here. Creates this. Say I want to change the title of it. Go right here. Keyboard out. Title. And Control S to save. Oh, you see it says title there, but it still says this number here. If I refresh it, boom, title. Coolio.